Hello store owners. Today, I'll show you how to force a minimum order quantity for your bulk products so your wholesale customers always buy in the quantities you intend. Here on my shop, my wholesale customers can add items in any amount they like. But for a true bulk product, I want them to order at least a dozen and only in packs of 6. So let's head into the back end and set that up. Let's open up the product I want to control. I'll scroll down to the wholesale prices options under product data. First, for my wholesale customer role, I'll set an active wholesale price of $9 because the minimum and step only kick in once a wholesale price is in place. Next, I'll set the wholesale minimum order quantity to 12, then the wholesale order quantity step to 6, so orders can only go up in packs of 6. And now I'll hit update to save it all. There's one more handy setting to know about. Over in my wholesale settings, the enforcement step on cart option makes sure these limits are respected right in the cart, not just on the product page. I'll keep that switched on for the best results. Now let's see exactly what my wholesale customer sees. First, they get my active wholesale price on this product right here, and the quantity is already pre-filled to my minimum of 12. Notice it only moves in increments of 6, so they can't order any odd amount in between. If they try to type in something smaller, the plugin simply bumps it right back up to the minimum. And that's how you force bulk quantities on your wholesale products. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.